Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
As it concerns the bush rat. The bush rat, I saw one of your video today. Yeah, it came through. I saw it in Aproko. You were unleashing of Vivian, calling her names out of the books, calling her whatever. And this was the same bush rat that was saying, at it they cause women, at it not get work, at it they call women prostitute. Is Vivian Onaiwu not a Benin woman? So when it's Sutuna, una go pick call people prostitute. When it's not Sutuna, who call people prostitute? Una go say me they bring it their neck with the cutter. That is why I say double standard Benis, double standard GPC Godfather. I thought in no ramification you should have known better not to shoot yourself with your own gun for your leg. You're one of the proponents of saying people they insult women, But your video came to my notice today. You were insulting Vivian online, calling her names, Igbiyaga, everything. Now you call Vivian. So what were you preaching them before now? What do you preach the bush rat? This is why I tag this topic, double standard Benis. Double standard Benis. Where on know if we talk truth, there will be no justice, there will be no peace, there will be no equity, there will be nothing happening in that land. We all be in chaos, no understanding, because there's no truth. Obviously, there's no truth. Now go they lie. If it's Sutuna, it is okay. If it's not Sutuna, it is bad. Now go they lie from both sides of una stupid mouths. Idiotic GPC, idiotic bushrat. You came on air saying you are a college graduate, that you are refined, you live in America. Vivian came some few years back. The same thing you were preaching against was the same way you call Atiti. It's not refined, it's not polished. Nobody should insult women. Women are sacred, women are precious, but you use the same language for Vivian Onaiwu. So what are you preaching? The bushrat. You're preaching virtually nothing. Now they pamper the thing. If it's Sutuna, now go preach that to a way. So that we, like me, I'm your watchdog, the bushrat. I'm your watchdog. I'm here to attack you any day. Intellectual prowess or intellectual prowess. Your stupid English in America with my English, when I go school for Nigeria, I will attack you because you know get sense. You're so empty. You are good. You went and liaised with the evil people, the evil ones. They gave you the Godfather title. I told you, you were too refined for it, but you never thought it wise to renounce it. You still carry the Godfather, my foot. Which Godfather you be? You are nobody. You're inconsequential. You're not relevant. You're just a stooge. Being used, being manipulated. Let me play your audio for you. Yeah, plan for you. Make you hear yourself. Make it not be me talker. Now you talker with your mouth. Where they call Vivian. Vivian not be Benin woman again. Vivian not be woman. Vivian a man. Or a transgender. You can insult Vivian. You can call her Igbiyaga. You can call her Mashao. At the team, bring in neck, call me the cutter. He insult women. Frank Victor, bring in neck, me the cutter. He insult women. Andrew Omofuma, bring your neck, call me the cutter. He insult women. But you had the effort to do the same. And you thought it will go unnoticed. And they bring her to your notice, say, you've heard, you should be cautioned by all women, where many people, what they say, make nobody insult women. We know women are sacred, but we know the dubious ones for society. People like Ivy Robber. They are dubious. Nothing to write home about them. They are very, very dubious. Their theses are not good. So that's why we are out here to condemn them without caring if you are lying with them or not. We don't care who is lying with them. We must condemn what is bad in the society. We must. I beg Otoshebo Mama, take this one for me. And aproko, give her to the bush dog, bush rat, where they lie from both sides of his mouth. He came out one morning. He's an investor. He takes his time to do businesses and whatever. He thinks of buying shares and Bitcoin, whatever. How can a man be insulting a woman every morning? But you just did the same. The bush rat, you just did the same. Calling a woman of Vivian's repute. You insult her, not in the book or you not call her. You insulted her. I saw it. So I did work that time. Make I quickly see if I can get that video back. Okay, I've gotten it. So hear yourself.
Years old.
Hear yourself, the bush rat. Hear yourself. Da bush rat. Da. See your long head.
Okay.
Like microscope.
But now, I'm now calling you on that fight that you started. I did not know who Vivian Onaiwo was. Let me let you all know how this started. I never knew who Vivian Onaiwo is. I did not know who she is or whatsoever. I have nothing to do with. I have nothing. We have nothing in common. Vivian Onaiwo is not. It's just a JJC. I have my own clique. Okay. At this stage in America, what I talk about is not when I am a bear, then I am a one. That's not my issue right now. I have my own clique. We know what we talk about. Okay, it got to my attention that Vivian Onaiwo was, insulting her mom and her dad on social media. And I'm like, I don't know who this person is. I know she called me on the phone, but I could not put it together. I'm like, I don't know her. What do we have in common? When she just came.
Even if Vivian went to such lengths to insult your dad or your mom, the same thing you were preaching against, that nobody should insult women. Vivian is a woman, for crying out loud, the bush rat. Vivian is a woman. She's a woman. You came on air to call Vivian Igbiyaga, to call her all these dirty names. You never saw Ivy Robber. That her own is so obvious. She's your ally, your whatever, because you have a soft spot to her. You've never been bold to come on air to insult that idiotic, stupid, God-forsaken prostitute that is all written all over her. That abandoned children and went to the hotel just to get dick and pay for it. You've never gone so high. If you could have done that, I would say you've gone high to even insult that idiot, the dog in Austria. But you had the effrontery to insult Vivian, calling her such dirty names. May the wrath of God give you something difficult in your life, the bush dog.
She came after I have to the US after I've established myself.
What have you established? Established nonsense. Established nothing. Dining and whining with
somebody who could have been teaching
miscreants. Dining and whining with miscreants, with non-adulterous people. That's what you. Is that how to establish one's life is all about? What legacy are you leaving behind? You look so stupid in America, the bush rat. What legacy are you telling you have established? Dining with Ivier, dining with a GPC, dining with a. For crying out loud, the bush dog. It's like you have the PhD post-trauma syndrome in your head. You're not leaving a better legacy for people in Europe, or rather people in Nigeria, to look up to you that you're in America. You're just a fraud. You deceive yourself. But we that watch you from the corner know that you're not stable. We know that you're not fucking stable.
$20 or $30 a meze aso wotari una mwenene una munyaho because you were contracted by Ameze Asowata, right?
It should not allow you get the ability to go talk nonsense for social media. We can do it as well.
So,
speak your English.
When you get to a society,
take the pig to the mud, or rather bring the pig out of the mud. But can you bring the mud out of the pig? That's what you are. That's what you are, the bush dog or the bush rat.
A criminal prostitute.
Look at
who
that.
Also ended up marrying a career criminal.
Look at that, the bush rat.
Vivian Onaiwo, you wanted to ruin my marriage, right? You thought you had the
So there are no better ways.
the techniques to go. I've
No
been married to that
better
woman for more than 18 years.
ideology to pass your message
18
across
years.
is to
And you think
stoop
you can
so
come between
low
us?
to go to what
A
you say
marriage in
is
where I will
absolutely
green
not
card
right.
marriage, fraudulent
Now
marriage.
sooner
You could not
hypocrisy all
even
around
do
us.
hold your marriage
Hypocritical
together
people
for
all
2
around
years.
us. There will be no truth. We'll keep on dwelling this saga. There will be no peace. Obviously, there will be
As
no peace.
ugly as you are, I beg Vivian Onaiwu, I beg you where upon how big her nose is. Ugly big nose. This Vivian will still go ahead and put she will have the nerve to put
What it concern you?
an earring
Yeah.
in her nose.
Your nose big, your head not long.
Vivian.
See your long head.
Ugly bullshit.
The
Ashawo.
Yeah.
Vivian Onaiwu.
Okay.
Ashawo.
How you take different from Atitina? How you take different from Frank Victor now? Tell me the bush rat. How are you different from Atiti and Frank Victor?
My next move on you, like I told you, you will not know where it's coming from. My next move on you.
You do nothing. You kill no rat. You kill no fly.
Okay, it's okay.
Done.
Come here, Crystal. Come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Go make the dog show. Make you just take that your cap come off for your head. Shove that your long head.
Vivian Onaiwu, that I don't know from Adam, picked up the phone, called my wife, told my wife all sorts of things. There was nothing this woman did not, this useless prostitute called Vivian Onaiwu. Ashawo.
Okay.
Ogaita the
I think they hear.
Vivian Onaiwu.
Obila king, you dey hear, they curse women. Obila Hunda, they curse women. You dey hear, and your friend.
I've met your kind.
Monica on her mama. I think they hear. Ibizube Hunda, you dey hear. They curse women. You know what they curse women. Now get the right. Now get the immunity to insult women. No, that person get the right.
Came to the United
Double
States. Double
standard idiots.
Not understanding how America works.
I don't use bad
They
language.
don't know how America works. But when you come to
How
a
do you
society
people
like
think you
America,
can fool everybody
when you
so
come
like
to
that?
America,
How
you
much
have
is
to
going to they
understand
fool
the
everybody?
society.
When you people are not pure,
Like I said
you people are not real, you people are fake.
Before you marry somebody, make sure that person
You people are so
has
fake.
a
You
clean
people are not
criminal
genuine.
record.
Just to suit
Very
my
important.
ego. That's what
This is
when I
gonna
go
be an
prepare a
immigration
course to suit my ego, but you people are
When you
so fake.
migrate from anywhere
So
to the
unreal.
United States and you're looking for documents, don't just rush and just marry like that prostitute Vivian Onaiwu did. She thought she was being smart as a street prostitute in Benin. You know, coming to America, not knowing that you have to understand how society works. When you come to a society like America, as an undocumented immigrant, know the society, know what the regulations are, know what the immigration office is looking for. Vivian, you know, this I too know. Moense, Ure, you went and married a habitual criminal.
You just use English to fool your gullible people, your gullible followers. That's what you're good in. But the fact that I want to put across, I've done that. For you to come on air, they call Vivian Ashawo, call her prostitute, call her Edbiyaga. It is here on record, tape. So I want to tell you, those gullible people, whether they fool, say that they curse women, now they come, now we take the bad people. Now the bad people in society will they curse. We know they curse the good ones. The bush rats don't come show and say, when they take pain you, what thing Ashawo do you go tell us in Ashawo. So we get Ashawo for society. There's no hoodwinking that fact. There's no try to hide the tea or sweep it under the carpet. We have Ashawo in our society. Once those Ashawo offend us, we have the right to insult them because they are so incompetent. They don't think well. They are nuisance. And they don't think before they do certain things. And when they do them, you got the right to still insult them. So in this aspect that they come at, I want to tell now GPC, soon a godfather, they call woman Ashawo. Then if they call a via Ashawo, now go the verse. They call Monica. Bring your papa of your pikin. Now go say they not get right. Which kind of double standard be this? They call am ashawo, una go say, hey, women are precious, women are so, they should be treasured. We don't insult them. But when una soon as Godfather, that call insult woman, I want to know whether Vivian a man or na transgender today. But the Vivian I know, na woman. The Vivian I know, na woman. So that is why I say make I quickly chip in this argument. Quick. Apropos Godfather, help me give her. The untouchable mama, help me give the bush rat. Make you hear this message saying, what Omofuma ask her today. Whether Vivian not be woman. Where you can come back, they talk to they should not insult women. No. If really you be college graduate, you have a certificate, and you say you are refined like you want us to believe, you should have used a better language to make your grievances about Vivian known to the world. That is when we will know that you should be separated from the so-called people who insult women. But obviously, you fall the same culprit as well. So, kettle they call pot black, now you be. Or pot they call kettle black, now you be. The bush rat, you're not refined. You still remain like whoever you try to correct. That's my message for you. A short one. I'm done with you. For the now. Any rest for you, I'll call for you full time.